Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today, once again, a detailed unboxing of a new camera. And we never expected to buy this camera at all, but during the photography and video show in Birmingham a couple of weeks ago, the price was right. And by that, I mean it was 25% off. So we couldn't resist. And at the end, we bought Sony Alpha 7 R5. Let's dive into the video. In this unboxing, I'm excited to reveal the Sony a7R5, a powerhouse for both photography and video. Inside the box, you get the camera body, a rechargeable battery, a charger, and some essential cables. The a7R5 features a massive 61 megapixel full frame sensor delivering incredible detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for high resolution photography. It supports 8K 24p and 4K 60p NTSC in North America and 4K 50p for PAL in Europe. Video format recording for video creators, offering top-tier video capabilities with superb clarity and color reproduction. Whether you're a photographer or filmmaker, this camera is ready to handle any challenge. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video and you really enjoy those really in detail shots of the gear I'm unboxing. So if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and drop the comment down below what type of test or comparison I would like you to see next. And I have the a7 IV camera, which I'm recording it just now, so I can compare those two in the comparison test later on. Nonetheless, in today's episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!